Retargeting campaigns, driving conversions in 2025. Retargeting has evolved from simple cookie-based tracking to sophisticated cross-click plan sport engagement strategies that follow the customer journey. This powerful marketing approach targets users who have previously interacted with your brand but haven't converted. With global digital ad spend projected to reach an astounding $667 billion 0 cents in 2024, marketers are increasingly allocating budget to retargeting. The need is clear. 492% of first-time website visitors leave without converting, representing a massive opportunity to recapture interest and drive conversion. In this presentation, we'll explore how retargeting works, examine successful strategies, and navigate the evolving landscape of privacy regulations and technology changes affecting this critical marketing tactic. How retargeting works. The technology behind retargeting relies on tracking mechanisms like cookies, device IDs, and email matching. These identifiers allow advertisers to recognize previous visitors across different websites and apps within an advertising network. Types of retargeting. Pixel-based retargeting uses JavaScript code snippets placed on your website to track visitors and serve ads based on specific pages they visited, ideal for immediate behavior-based targeting. Based retargeting utilizes your existing customer data, typically email lists, to match users across platforms, perfect for targeting existing customers with upsell opportunities. Major ad platforms: Google Display Network, Meta, Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn, Kujia. Key objectives of retargeting campaigns: higher engagement. Your targeted ads achieve CTRs 10x higher than standard display ads. 70% recoverable percentage of cards that can be recovered with effective retargeting. 3x brand recall, improvement in brand recognition from retargeting campaigns. Retargeting campaigns excel at increasing conversions by reminding prospects of products or services they have already shown interest in, with an average click-through rate of 0.7% compared to just 0.07% for standard display ads. Retargeting dramatically improves engagement. Beyond direct conversions, these campaigns enhance brand recall through repeated strategic exposures. They're particularly effective at reducing cart abandonment by creating urgency and providing incentives to complete purchases. Retargeting strategies and ad formats. Personalized experience. Tailored messaging based on behavior. Sequential message. Progressive ads that tell a story. Prosperous targeting. Consistent experience across platforms. Dynamic product ads. Showcasing previously viewed items. Dynamic product ads automatically showcase items users have viewed, creating highly relevant experiences. Sequential messaging builds a narrative across multiple ad exposures, moving prospects through the funnel with increasingly compelling offers. Cross-beta and cross-platform strategies ensure consistency as users switch between smartphones, tablets, and computers. The most effective campaigns leverage personalized creatives based on specific user behaviors, such as time spent on particular pages or products added to cart. Successful targeting case studies. Implemented dynamic retargeting, showing users the exact footwear they browsed, along with complementary products. This approach delivered a remarkable 558% ROI increase compared to their standard display campaigns. Booking deployed sophisticated cross-imagery destillating with time-sensitive offers for previously viewed destinations. This strategy reduced their cost per acquisition by 43% while maintaining booking quality. Shopify merge. A mid-sized fashion retailer on Shopify implemented cart abandonment retargeting with limited time discount codes, achieving a 26% uplift in e-commerce sales and a 31% reduction in cart abandonment rate. These success stories demonstrate the versatility of retargeting across different industries. The common thread is strategic segmentation combined with compelling, relevant creative that addresses specific objections in the customer journey. Timing also plays a crucial role, with most successful campaigns implementing frequency caps and strategic delays between ad exposures to prevent fatigue while maintaining brand presence. Technology and tools for retargeting. Tracking pixels. Facebook Pixel, Google Ads tag, and LinkedIn Insight tag place invisible code on your website to track visitor behavior and build audiences. Customer data platforms. Segmentation and mParticle unify customer data across touchpoints for consistent retargeting experiences. AI-powered platforms. Adro, Criteo, and RTB House use machine learning to optimize audience segmentation and ad delivery in real time. The technology backbone of effective retargeting campaigns is increasingly sophisticated. Identity resolution tools now connect user activity across devices and platforms, creating a unified customer profile for more precise targeting. AI-Nation audience segmentation analyzes behavioral patterns to predict which users are most likely to convert, allowing for intelligent budget allocation. These platforms continuously optimize based on performance data, improving ROAS over time. Measuring success, KPIs and analytics. Engagement metrics, theta, view through rate, time on site, pages per visit. Conversion metrics, conversion rate, CPA or ROAS, average order value. Customer metrics, customer lifetime value, repeat purchase rate. Campaign efficiency, frequency, reach, cost per unique user. Measuring retargeting success requires tracking both immediate performance indicators and long-term impact. Multi-touch attribution models have become essential for understanding how retargeting fits within the broader customer journey. Google Analytics 4 provides cross-platform insights through event-based tracking, while platform-specific tools like Meta Ads Manager offer detailed performance breakdowns. Advanced marketers are increasingly using incrementality testing for comparing targeted audiences with control groups for to isolate the true impact of retargeting efforts. Common challenges and pitfalls. Fuzzy objects, fatigue. Excessive frequency leads to irritation and brand damage. Implement caps and creative rotation. पहला का वेनेसर्जी द सोली previously denchado. GDPR, CCPA, and other regulations restrict data collection and usage, require explicit consent, cookie deprecation. Google phasing out third-party cookies by 2025 requires new identification approaches. Bold segmentation. Generic retargeting wastes budget on unqualified prospects. Segment by intent signals. Ad fatigue remains one of the biggest challenges in retargeting, with 45% of consumers reporting negative brand perception after seeing the same ad multiple times. Successful campaigns implement frequency capping and creative rotation to maintain effectiveness. Privacy regulations continue to reshape the landscape, with GDPR and CCPA imposing strict requirements on consent and data usage. Meanwhile, Google's planned deprecation of third-party cookies by 2025 is forcing advertisers to develop alternative identification strategies. Innovations and the future of retargeting. First-party data integration. Leveraging owned customer data. Contextual targeting. content based rather than user based, AI powered personalization, real time creative optimization. As third party cookies phase out, first party data strategies are becoming central to effective retargeting. Brands are building direct relationships with consumers through value exchanges, creating authenticated traffic that enables continued personalization. AI and machine learning advances are enabling real time creative optimization that adapts messaging, imagery, and offers based on individual preferences and behaviors. Simultaneously, contextual targeting is experiencing a renaissance, using content relevance rather than user identity to place ads in appropriate environments. These innovations are creating a more consent based, privacy compliant approach to retargeting that respects user preferences while maintaining marketing effectiveness. Key takeaways and best practices: segment strategically, create distinct audience segments based on behavior, engagement level, and position in the funnel. Tailor messaging appropriately for each segment. Refresh creative regularly. Combat ad fatigue by rotating images, headlines, and offers. Test different approaches to identify what resonates with specific audience segments. Embrace privacy first approaches. Build strategies around first party data, contextual relevance, and explicit consent. Prepare now for a cookieless future. Measure beyond last click. Implement multi-touch attribution to understand retargeting's role in the customer journey. Use incrementality testing to quantify true impact. Successful retargeting in 2025 will require balancing personalization with privacy, implementing frequency controls to prevent fatigue, and continually refreshing creative assets. Focus on building segmentation strategies that target users based on their specific behaviors and position in the purchase journey. As the landscape evolves, prioritize first party data collection and create direct relationships with your audience. Remember that effective retargeting is not about bombarding users with ads, but delivering relevant reminders at the right moments to guide them toward conversion.